rehearsally we're the last person to arrive. You can point out or say anything. Alright, who's the first one to arrive?
Levi.
Alright. Okay, sword kon uloita? Who's the most talkative?
Aaron, yeah. Say Aaron.
And who talks the least? Clinton. Can make out. Okay. If in a group chat and poilo respond, kon kota?
Prince.
Who never responds?
Levi.
Okay, who's the best to travel with?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone loves travel.
Agree? Okay, sword haupa kona like that? Okay, who gets most of the shouting? Sword, Tapsane. Oh my god, are you serious? Yeah. Alright, okay. Sword, chedwa konachi fan asa? Okay, that question is already answered way before. Who's the wildest member of the band if I ask? Okay. Who's the goofball of stage?
Never.
I think it's a Prince. I think he's very goofy.
Alright, okay. One weird thing that you all have done for a song of yours.
This is when we were shooting for I Love You, and when we started off it was like broad daylight, no signs of rain, but as we came to the end of the shoot, the clouds slowly started forming, and it rained very heavily. As soon as we finished the shoot, it rained. And it was very weird because in the start there was nothing, like no signs of rain. Yeah. You see it on the video also, fully sunny.
Who's deciding on the costumes and all that?
Mostly Prince.
Not mine. Not mine.
Alright, okay. Prince, describe awakening in 3 words.
Yeah, tiring.
Second one.
For me, when I get up, it's I can't talk actually.
Third one.
Third one.
More sleep.
Okay. Jenna ut on phone poida kenna idu?
Yeah.
So any artist jo tuka aansoita?
Out.
Yeah, sorry, my favorite Konkani movie.
Okay, first person to believe in your music.
My mom.
Okay, what was the story behind?
It's like actually I was into dance first.
Dance.
Yeah, I was in a dance group.
तुमचे steps ba match जाता ही. Okay, alright.
So songs mix करपा जाय पडटाली डांसा. So मुगे friend एक software घेतलेलो. So from there I borrowed the software from him and I started mixing the songs. So I discovered that I can make own music also on that software. So I music kelo. There was one song Mogachi Kani. So for that I did the music at home only on the PC. And I sing kele teje. And the first person I showed that song was my mom. And she really liked it. Take likes zale. And the second one was my best friend. He's actually my neighbor. His name is Candida. So he was like, let's make a video. And magi a video kela mi and magi te things from singing journey start zali. Like
Alright.
from there people started recognizing my singing.
Okay, which is one song you listen to on a repeat? Secretly, huh?
Secretly. Still Got the Blues
Okay, why?
by Gary Moore. I like the feel and
तू secretly ऐकता राहते सगळी जाणा तू ऐकता मग. Alright, okay. Sheena, if you weren't a singer, what would you do right now?
I would be a dancer probably.
Dancer.
Yeah.
Alright,
Or a model
okay.
maybe.
Okay. एक favorite vocalist जाच्या सांगता तुका collab करपा जाय.
Maybe Adele.
Okay. Have you done any weird thing for a song? In your makeover thing or anything?
Weird thing.
Yeah.
Nothing weird.
Nothing weird. Okay. Who's your biggest support system?
My mom.
Alright. Okay. Mayven, your guitar's nickname.
I have an other guitar which I don't use now mostly, but I used to call it Bluey. Actually, but nobody knows this now. Yeah, nobody knows it, but I used to call it Bluey.
I started now calling it Bluey. Okay. Have you ever broken a string on stage?
Yes, many times. Many times.
Okay. What's a weird sound you get from the guitar?
Sound like something called a pinch harmony. What I do on stage.
Okay. If your guitar could talk, what would it say?
Maybe play me right always.
Okay, Clinton, if your keyboards could be a character, any character, who would it be? It would be Prince.
I like that.
Oh, brass from Prince వస్తారు.
Okay, which is the hardest instrument to play in a band?
For him, it's actually keyboard. For him, it's guitar.
Me everything.
Even for me, everything.
Alright, Aaron, what is music?
I love.
Okay, what do you do before start of a show?
We pray actually.
Pray. Alright, okay, that is good. Okay, last but not the least, the drummer boy, Levi. Drum वाजता त्यांना केन्ना तरी तुझी drumstick सांडल्या मोडल्या?
Too many times. Too many times. Before, I used to not keep any extra sticks, so I would like signal to my dad like my stick is not there. I'm playing with one hand now. So then he would like slowly arrange like for another stick while I'm playing. But now I keep like because I break too many sticks now.
Okay, acoustic or electronic? Your beat.
Acoustic all the time. I don't like electronic.
Epic drum solo you played.
A drum solo I played. I don't really get to play a drum solo. The only thing I actually get to like show off drums is Summer of '69, the end. Yeah.